उर्दू पॉइंट की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम आने वाली वीडियोस से बाखबर रह सकें।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन, ये है उर्दू पॉइंट और मैं हूँ आपकी मेज़बान महा रशीद। इस वक्त मेरे साथ एक ऐसी शख्सियत नशिस्त पज़ीर हैं जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान तक का सफ़र पैदल किया। 7500 किलोमीटर्स ये सफ़र था जिसका आगाज़ जर्मनी से किया गया था और इन्होंने बाकायदा तौर पर अपने रिश्तेदारों से मुलाकात करने के लिए ये सफ़र किया। इनसे इनकी कहानी जानेंगे। मिरान हुसैन इनका नाम है और सबसे पहले तो ये लाजमी तौर पर जानेंगे कि क्यों इन्होंने पैदल सफ़र करने को तरजीह दी, क्योंकि आम तौर पर अगर आप या हम में से कोई भी सफ़र के लिए जाता है तो हम हमेशा प्रेफर ये करते हैं बड़ा ही कंफर्टेबल या लग्जरियस हमारी ट्रैवलिंग हो। तो इन्होंने ट्रैवलिंग की कंफर्टेबिलिटी को छोड़ते हुए एक इतना डिफ़िकल्ट वे अपनाया, इसकी क्या वजह थी? सर, सबसे पहले तो आपको वेलकम करेंगे अपने प्रोग्राम में और आप सबसे पहले तो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिएगा।
Hello, my name is Miran Hussain. I walked for about 13 to 14 months from Germany to Pakistan and crossed, I think, 12 countries, on foot.
अच्छा, आप मुझे बताइएगा कि जो 12 कंट्रीज से आप ट्रैवल करके आए हैं, कैन यू नेम देम?
Yes, I started from Germany to Austria, to Italy, Slovenia, and Croatia, Serbia, Bulgaria, then Greece and Turkey, which took a long time, and then Georgia, Armenia, Iran, and Pakistan.
अच्छा, एक और सवाल यहाँ पे सबके जहनों में ये उठता है कि जब आप सफ़र कर रहे थे, ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे थे, तो जो फूड थी, क्या डिफ़िकल्टीज़ आपने फ़ेस किए ट्रैवलिंग के दौरान?
There are many different sorts of difficulties you face every day. Like in the beginning, it's difficult to be lonely, and that goes away after a time. But like blisters, all the physical aspects that you have pain in knee and the back and everywhere, to deal with pain, to deal with always being alone. Also in beautiful moments you can get upset because you cannot share them. But especially leaving good friends behind, that's one of the biggest difficulties, I think, and leaving beautiful countries and sceneries behind. That's not easy.
अच्छा, ये तो आप बात कर रहे हैं इमोशंस की ना, इमोशनली के फ्रेंड्स को छोड़ देना और ट्रैवलिंग के लिए निकल चलना। तो व्हाई डिड यू प्रेफर टू ट्रैवल ऑन योर फीट इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग विद सम लग्जरियस कार और वाइस वर्सा?
Well, that was a longer question. It was clear that I would never travel by car or by plane. For me, it's not a proper journey. Like, I wanted to go to Pakistan, that was clear, because I wanted to know my fatherland, my family, my culture, which I haven't seen since I was 2 years old. And then there was the question if I take the bicycle or if I walk. And in the end I decided for walking because it's slow and it's intense, and you can dive into every culture which is on the way. You can slowly see the development of cultures, landscapes, and language. You have more time to get into these countries, and that slow traveling. I prefer to do less countries in more time than many countries and rushing through. Like when you ride a bike, you could do that fast, and then would take maybe half a year or less, and you can move on. So
जब आप ट्रैवल कर रहे थे तो आपकी डाइट क्या होती थी, फूड इनटेक क्या होता था, और ख़ास तौर पे ये भी बताइएगा कि आप अपनी लिविंग कैसे करते थे? किसी के पास जाके सोते थे या टेंटिंग करते थे, कैंपिंग करते थे, क्या करते थे?
So every day is it's the aim. You have to plan exactly where can you get food, where can you get water. You could never just walk without any plan, so you buy the food to cook before you find your sleeping place as late as possible to have less weight. And yeah, so I cook on my own. In the afternoon I buy stuff from shops, local food, and in the night I just cook. And that's very important, the cooking, because no matter what happens in the day, in the end you're alone at your tent or at your sleeping place, and eat some good food. That helps a lot. And I started with a tarp and a bivak, which is like a small sleeping bag, which should protect you from rain and wind, which it doesn't really. And the tarp is basically a roof which you can put between trees or poles. And after Istanbul, when the winter came, I bought a tent from Germany. It was sent from Germany, and with this tent I kept on walking.
सही। इसके अलावा मुझे बताइएगा कि चूँकि ट्रैवल करना, पैदल ख़ास तौर पे ट्रैवल करना, ठीक है, तो इसके लिए यकीनन कोई ना कोई प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत होती है, ठीक है। तो पहले जर्मनी में रह के आपने कोई प्रैक्टिस की थी चलने की, मैराथन का शौक़ था, क्या हिसाब था आपका पहले जिसके थ्रू आपने मोटिवेट होके ट्रैवलिंग प्रेफर की इस तरह?
Basically, physically, I was doing mountain biking, running in the mountains, going to gym, like many things which were not directly training me for the walking. So it was more just training the mental strength. That was what I did. I just set aims on mountains where I knew I could never reach them, and I just ran and made no expectation. Like I just ran to my aim. That was my train basically. So yeah, physically lots of running, walking. I was growing up as in a traveling family, and we were biking around Corsica and all these things. So it's nothing new, but yeah, of course that is a very big sufferation in the beginning of such a trip. The body is not used to such immense amount of weight on the back, so it had a lot of bad effect.
अच्छा, सवाल एक ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा ऑडियंस में से आ रहा होगा कि जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो फॉर एग्जांपल एरोप्लेन के थ्रू, तो वीज़ा चाहिए होता है। तो जब आपने सफ़र किया तो वहाँ पे आपने पहले से ही वीज़ाज़ के लिए अप्लाई कर लिया था? क्या वीज़ा के लिए आपने क्या किया था?
I didn't really plan a lot about the visas. I just walked from border to border. And of course in the country I informed myself how will it be in the next border and so on. So luckily as a German you don't need so many visas in that part of the world. But yeah, for Turkey I stayed so long, so I had to make a visa extension because I didn't need a visa, but after 3 months you need, and that was very expensive. And then in Iran also, and Pakistan. Yeah, but that was fine. Sometimes it takes like weeks until you get your visa, but this time you can use very well as well.
अच्छा, ये जो 11 months का सफ़र था, ट्रैवलिंग थी, ड्यूरेशन था, इसमें आपकी टोटल कॉस्ट क्या बनी?
The cost I cannot really tell. It was because I worked for my trip on my own. I have no sponsors and anyone. Only my parents who supported me, so they just sent me there and there some money. So I don't know in the end which amount I spent, but about 3,000 euros or some more, maybe.
अच्छा, थोड़ा सा ना टॉपिक से हट कर सवाल पूछ रही हूँ आपके हेयर स्टाइल से रिलेटेड, ठीक है? ये बड़ा मज़े का और बड़ा एक्साइटिंग सा लग रहा है, तो ये वाला स्टाइल ऑप्ट क्यों किया?
Well, it was after school. I tried many different hairstyles. Like my hair has lots of different stories, and depending on the mood I changed my hair again, and the hair changed me, so there's always that exchange. And then one time I came more close to the Rastafari scene and to African culture and Jamaican culture, and was singing in the dance hall and everything. And that is a part of that lifestyle. So I did not fully adapt to that lifestyle, but that's a beautiful and important part for me, part of identity.
अच्छा, एक सवाल एक और ये है, क्वेश्चन एक और आपसे ये है कि जब आप ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, कौन सा ऐसा कंट्री था जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजरस सा लग रहा था? बिकॉज़ जब आप ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हो, ख़ास तौर पे जब आप पैदल चल रहे होते हो, तो रास्ते में फॉरेस्ट और डेज़र्ट और इस तरह की बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं, तो कहाँ पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगा?
Well, there are two countries maybe. The one was Armenia, which was very dangerous in terms of mountains, but that was my mistake. I did do lots of adventurous things. You don't need to go on the highest peak or to whatever mountains in winter. I tried that out, so that's why they were dangerous. And Iran, that was basically dangerous because of the heat. And yeah, sometimes you just cannot trust people to give you water or to help you every time. So you have to be responsible for your water supplies and food. And there are just huge distances without anyone. So, and then in the end in Balochistan, there was that problem with terrorism and all these things. So I was not allowed to walk anymore.
फिर आपने क्या किया?
क्या?
बलूचिस्तान में जब ट्रैवलिंग के लिए आपको मना किया गया कि आपने मज़ीद फ़र्दर आपने जो है नहीं चलना, ठीक है, यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू ट्रैवल फर्दर, तो आपने फिर क्या किया? हाउ डिड यू ट्रैवल टू लाहौर?
So from Iran, Balochistan, they took me to Zanjan. That was also, they didn't tell me that they would do it, but it happened. And then from there I took military escorts and all these things. Visited my family, and then I tried to walk again, but basically in Pakistan it was not really possible to walk because police would stop me, say we have to protect you, you are in danger, it's so dangerous and everything. It was a difficult time because I've never seen the danger personally, you just read about it, and so yeah, it's not easy to believe.
अच्छा सर, एक और बात बताइएगा कि कौन सा ऐसा कंट्री था या सिटी थी या कोई जगह थी जहाँ की हॉस्पिटैलिटी से आप बहुत इंस्पायर हो, जो जिनकी मेहमान नवाजी कह लें, हॉस्पिटैलिटी अगेन, जिससे आप बहुत खुश हुए हो कि ये लोग बहुत ज़्यादा काइंड हार्टेड लोग हैं, ख्याल रखते हैं जो विज़िटर्स उनके पास आते हैं? कौन सी ऐसी जगह थी?
Yeah, that's also difficult to say. Each country has its own style, how they are hospitable. Even Italy, Germany, they have different ways. But Turkey was maybe my favorite.
Why?
Well, I stayed so long in Turkey because of my knees, which were not well, and I could dive into that language, into everything, so I could talk with people. They invite you every time for chai, and so it is kind of funny. You just walk and all 5 minutes, hello, chai. So Iran was similar, but a very diverse country which has different people and population in every region, and yeah, it's a bit different. The northwest of Iran was super kind and extremely hospitable, and then
अच्छा, आपसे लास्ट सवाल ये है कि आपने वापस जाने का क्या सोचा है? दोबारा से पैदल जाएंगे या अब की बार एरोप्लेन या कार या कोई और?
yeah, it was clear that I couldn't now fly back to Germany. That would be so strange to walk for 14 months and then just fly back. So I wanted to have both experience because I struggled in deciding whether I would walk or take the bike. So I thought I just do both. So I have both experience. So I go back on bicycle from Lahore to Islamabad, from there to Naran and Gilgit and China, and so on.
अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन आपकी इसी बात से जनरेट होता है, तो मैंने कहा पूछ लूँ आपसे कि जो आपका ट्रैवल बैग है उसमें आप क्या क्या रखते हो?
My travel bag.
हाँ, जो ट्रैवल, हाँ एग्जैक्टली, लगेज में आप क्या क्या चीज़ें रखते हो, और मैसेज भी क्या दोगे कि जो लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं या जो आपको देखकर इंस्पायर हो रहे हैं और वो ट्रैवल करने का सोच रहे हैं जैसे आपने किया है, तो उनको ट्रैवलिंग के लिए क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस करनी चाहिए, या ट्रैवलिंग बैग में या लगेज में क्या क्या चीज़ें रखनी चाहिए अपने साथ?
I basically try to travel very lightweight, so I just bought a trolley in Istanbul, which was also from Germany, because I walked with that bag on my back and it was way too heavy, so I needed to change the system and tried 3 different types of trolleys and yeah, always had bad experiences with repairing my equipment all the time. Tires got burst and everything. But basically you just try to have as less weight as you can, but it's very difficult. You need so much water and food and all.
मीरान हुसैन की कहानी आपने जानी और ये भी जाना कि किस तरह से इन्हें रास्ते में जो मुश्किलात थीं उन पर से इन्होंने कूच किया और अपने रिश्तेदारों के लिए बाकायदा तौर पर पाकिस्तान आए और इनका कहना है कि वापसी भी ये साइकिलिंग करके जर्मनी जाएंगे। एक मैसेज देंगे एट दी एंड प्रोग्राम के कि जब भी आप सफ़र कर रहे हैं तो अपने साथ पोर्टेबल सामान रखें, इसके अलावा जो सफ़र करने के लिए जो सामान होता है उसको कम से कम रखें, तभी सफ़र का मज़ा आता है। अपनी मेज़बान महा रशीद को दीजिए इजाज़त, अल्लाह निगहबान।